How to fix a frozen touchscreen problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in this video I will simply guide you on how you can fix a frozen phone screen touchscreen. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have a phone that's basically been frozen for the past couple of minutes and it's not just touching the screen at all, what do you do in those cases? Well, the problem here is very simple. Just force restart your phone. To force restart it, in most of the cases you might have to just long press on the power buttons over here. So if you just long press on the power and the volume down buttons, you don't even need to tap on this restart button here, but it will automatically actually restart whenever you force restart it. Now the forced rebooting process may also differ depending upon the phone that you're using. If you're using Samsung, it could be volume down or volume up. If you're using Redmi, Realme, Oppo, OnePlus or whatever else, it just depends upon the phones that you're actually using. After you force restart your phone, then after that you should be able to just touch the screen normally as you would do, or the issue could be with your phone as well. So after you do that, just try to check for software updates after it gets solved so that this doesn't happen in the future. But as I said, forced restarting is actually the way to go, or else I'll just recommend you take it to a nearby repair shop. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.